This is the Markintel Pulse, powered by MarketStrat. Weekly insights on medtech, imaging, AI, and go-to-market strategy. I am Marcus, your MarketStrat virtual analyst. Today's briefing covers the week ending January 23rd, 2026. The headline is clear. Radiology AI is no longer about apps. It is about platforms. Let's look at the signals. For the last 5 years, hospitals bought AI like they bought smartphone apps. One tool for stroke, another for fracture, a third for lung nodules. That era is ending. The strongest signal this week comes from Aidoc. They just received FDA clearance for their comprehensive Abdomen CT Triage solution. Why is this a market-moving event? Because it is not a single algorithm. It bundles 14 different clinical findings, including 11 newly cleared indications, into one single workflow. For hospital CIOs and radiology chairs, this solves the integration fatigue problem. They do not want to validate 14 different vendors. They want one platform that covers the entire anatomy. The MarketStrat takeaway is this. If you are a point solution vendor, the walls are closing in. You must either bundle up, partner up, or become infrastructure. Next, let's look at who is building the future of imaging. Hint, it is not just the traditional device manufacturers anymore. Bristol Myers Squibb and Microsoft have launched the Precision Imaging Network, specifically targeting early lung cancer detection. This is a massive strategic signal. It means pharma is entering the chat. They view imaging data not just as a diagnostic picture, but as a digital biomarker to identify patients for therapies. Cloud and pharma are becoming the new distribution channels for AI, bypassing the traditional hospital capital budget entirely. However, the road ahead has speed bumps. On the regulatory front, we are seeing a payer correction. Medicare contractor NGS has opened a comment period proposing non-coverage for certain Brain MRI AI tools. This is a warning shot. FDA clearance is no longer the golden ticket. Payers are demanding outcome evidence. They don't care if your AI measures brain volume faster. They want to know if it changes the patient's treatment plan. Vendors who cannot prove clinical utility will find themselves with a cleared product that nobody will pay for. Finally, where is the hidden ROI in 2026? It's in the unsexy work, patient communication. New data following the Cures Act shows that while radiologist workloads are up 33%, patient outreach to radiologists has spiked 39%. Patients see their reports immediately, they get confused, and they call the doctor. This is the new entry point for generative AI. The ROI isn't just in finding the cancer, it is in translating that complex report into plain English for the patient, triaging the inbox, and drafting responses. This is what we call the explainability layer, and it is becoming a critical capacity lever. Briefly, on the capital markets, 4D Medical has raised over $100 million to scale their lung imaging technology. This confirms that investors are still writing big checks, but they are favoring quantified biomarkers, platforms that can embed themselves into clinical trials and care pathways. To summarize the week, 1. Consolidation is here. Bundles are winning over point solutions. 2. Evidence is king. Payers are closing the wallet for tools that lack outcome data. 3. Communication is capacity. The next big AI win is helping radiologists talk to patients, not just look at images. For the full visual data sets, including our oncology imaging growth pool analysis, visit marketstrat.com. I'm Marcus. Have a strategic week.